Welcome to my channel. Learn easy with Susie. Let's hop in and see what fun thing we are going to learn today. Hello there, young explorers. On today's episode, I will take you on a magical adventure around the globe. Are you ready to embark on a journey across the continents? Let's go. Welcome to Australia. This is the smallest continent on Earth. Imagine hopping with kangaroos across wide open spaces, swimming beside colourful fish in the Great Barrier Reef, and listening to stories from the oldest culture on Earth. Yes, kids, you heard right. The oldest culture. Meet Australia's very first superheroes, the Aboriginal Australians and the Torres Strait Islanders. Long, long ago, even before your favourite dinosaurs were in museums, Aboriginal Australians became the very best friends of the land in Australia. Aboriginal Australians are the guardians of an enchanting book known as Dreamtime. This book is a magical voyage that weaves through the past, twirls in the present, and glances into the future, all at the same time. Inside, you'll discover stories about how the universe came to be and the marvelous beginnings of animals and humans. Guess what? Long ago, Aboriginal Australians came up with a super cool toy called the boomerang. That's right. They used it to hunt, but here's the magic part. If the boomerang doesn't hit anything, it swirls right back to you like a bird flying home. How awesome is that? Torres Strait Islanders were the best sea explorers and star navigators. Do you know the word navigator? Let me explain. A navigator is like a travel superhero. It's their job to make sure everyone gets to their destination safely and has a great adventure along the way. An astronaut navigates spaceships in space. Just like a pilot navigates a plane in the sky, birds are nature's great navigators. They use their wings to fly almost everywhere. Isn't that amazing? Navigators use special tools like maps, compasses, and even satellites from way up in space to figure out the best way to go. Oh yes, I didn't forget. Birds also have different tools they use to help them find their way. Birds use the position of the sun during the day to help them know which way to go. At night, birds use the stars, like the North Star, to help guide them in the right direction. So together, these awesome cultures are the superheroes of Australia.
Hey, Super Explorers! It's me, Sammy. Nice to see you again.
Australia is a place of adventure, with vast deserts called the outback, rainforests that buzz with life, and coral reefs underwater that burst with colors you've never seen before. It's a land where stories, nature, and fun come together in the most amazing ways.
Australia is a land of adventures waiting for you. So, grab your explorer's hat, and let's dive into the fun and surprises of Australia. Do you know what the capital of Australia is? That's right, kids. This is Canberra. It's a city full of cool places to visit, like the Australian War Memorial, or the National Museum of Australia. In Canberra, you can see the sky fill up with colorful, hot air balloons. It's like a magical show in the air, especially during the Canberra Balloon Spectacular festivals. Imagine floating up and away over the city, looking down at all the sights from way high in the sky. It's an adventure that makes you feel like you're part of a fairy tale.
Welcome to Cleveland Wildlife Park. Kangaroos are like the superheroes of the animal world, leaping as long as a school bus in just one jump. And guess what? They have a special pocket called a pouch, where their adorable baby kangaroos stay cozy and safe. Do you know how baby kangaroos are called? They are called joeys. Imagine an animal that looks like it was made from parts of other animals. It has a bill like a duck, a tail like a beaver, and feet like an otter. This is a platypus. And guess what? It lays eggs, but is a mammal.
Hey, young adventurers. We are back from our tour. Hope you loved Australia. This was so much fun.
And remember, it's a place where the spirit of friendship and adventure lives in every corner, making it a fantastic storybook that never ends.
Hey kids, remember Australia is such a beautiful country, so don't be afraid to learn more. See you next time. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe, like, and share.